In certain areas, the Nissan NV350 Caravan is referred to as the Urvan, particularly in Asia and Australia. This commercial vehicle is frequently used for campervan conversions. Typically, the conversion's exterior will keep the van's basic design while adding a high roof or pop-up roof to increase headroom and sleeping space. Extra windows providing ventilation and illumination on the back and sides. Extra doors for convenient access. There are double back doors and sliding side doors. Awning to make a space outside that is shaded. Back stairs to get access to the back storage room or roof. Solar panels put on the roof to provide extra electricity. Tougher tires and wheels, particularly if they are made for mild off-road excursions. For a more distinctive appearance, use custom graphics or livery. Extra bike racks or storage bins put on the back of the body. The inside will be built to maximize space and mix numerous tasks, as is the case with most campervans. Compact kitchens, fold-out tables, and seating sections that may be used as beds are typical. Areas for sleeping: these might be fold-out beds or couch beds in the center, or permanent beds in the rear or top if there is a pop-top. The size of the van and the conversion's design will affect the size of the beds. Small kitchens usually have a tiny sink with a water faucet, a compact fridge or cooler box, and a 1 or 2 burner stove, electric or portable gas. A little microwave could be included in some more opulent adaptations. Dining room and eating or working table that folds or slides and is frequently combined with a sitting space. Storage options include shelves, cabinets, and drawers made to hold clothing, cooking, and vacation essentials. Making use of the area above the headboard and beneath the bed is essential. Some bigger adaptations could have a tiny bathroom with a shower, typically with tank water, a folding sink, and a portable toilet or cassette toilet. Electrical systems consist of an inverter to convert DC to AC, a control panel to monitor power use, and extra deep cycle batteries to power equipment. The use of solar panels is growing. If there is a permanent sink or bathroom, there should be a clean water tank and a filthy water tank with a water pump. Lighting and ventilation, headlights inside, roof vents, and extra windows with coverings or drapes. For thermal and acoustic comfort, insulating materials are added to roofs, floors, and walls. Lightweight materials, simple design lines, and neutral hues are used. Foldable, slidable, or transformable furniture to make the most of available space. Connectivity, entertainment screens, and smart lighting and appliance control systems. Intelligent vertical storage systems with hanging shelves. NV350 double sliding doors make room for improved air circulation and simpler access.